Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me in this Power Flow Yoga. My name is Beth. Come to your mat. Come into kneeling, hands in Namaskar Mudra. Set an intention for your practice. And we begin. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, bow forward to set your intention. When you are ready, make yourself comfortable and come into all four for cat-cow. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look towards the navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look towards the navel. Push the mat away. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Cat-cow. Continue this for some time, following your breath and warming up your spine, allowing yourself to connect with the earth underneath you. When you're ready, open into your up dog to release the spine. Walk the legs back into your first downward dog. Bend and straighten alternate knee, allowing the shoulders to soften. You can pause at any particular spot. Inhale, take the right leg up. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale, right leg reach high. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Take your time. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, bring that right leg in between the hand. Rise up into Crescent Lunge, high lunge. Relax the shoulder, bend that right knee, look up towards the sky. Relax the face. And when you're ready, bring the right hand outside of the right hip. Left hand reaching across. Then inhale. Bring yourself back up. Left hand over to the left hip on the mat and reach the right hand across. Bend the knee, open the chest. Inhale. Bring both hands all the way to the sky. Exhale the hands to the mat. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, right leg back, downward dog. Bend the knee forward into your plank, elbow hugging, yogi push up. Bend knee, downward dog briefly. Straighten the legs. Forward into your plank, yogi push up. Last time like that. Finish into your up dog. Relax the shoulder away from the ears. Lengthen the spine, top of the leg on the mat. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Left leg reach high, same thing on this side. Left knee to left elbow. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale. Exhale, knee to elbow. Continue this for 2 more times. Last one. Bring the left leg in between the hand for Crescent Lunge. Inhale, hands reach up, look up. Again, go fast or slow, but don't compromise the pose. Now, exhale, left hand outside of the left hip on the mat and take the right hand across, getting a side stretch. Relax the shoulder, look up to the sun. Inhale, bring yourself up. Same thing on the right side. Right hand. Take the left hand across. Open. Soften the shoulder. Your leg is your strength here. Notice your face. And then relax. Inhale, bring yourself all the way up. High lunge. Focus. Exhale the hands down to the mat. Take the left leg back, downward dog. Your vinyasa here, challenging yourself. 3 to go like that. Inhale, up dog, relax the shoulder, smiling if you have it. Downward dog. Reach the right hand outside of the left ankle. Lengthen. And then both legs are straight. Look towards the left armpit. Breathe in and out. Switch hands. You can walk your legs in to be comfortable. Chin is towards the chest. Right hand is active. Exhale, left hand back. Come back to that plank again. Yogi push-up. Up dog. Relax the shoulder. Lift the knee if you can. Plank. And take it back, downward dog. Release the head. Relax the neck. Right leg reach high. Bend the knee. Open the hip. Exhale, flip the dog. Right leg behind the left. Take the right hand forward. Open the chest. You can come into wheel here if it's in your practice. When you're ready, come back down. Right leg reach high. Exhale, right leg in between the hand. Inhale, rise up. Crescent lunge. Exhale, the hands to the mat. Straighten the right leg. Bend the knee. Look forward. 3 more. Look forward, straighten the right leg. Last 2. Last 1. Straighten the right leg. Bend the knee. Inhale, rise up. High lunge. Exhale, hands to the mat. Left leg meets with the right. Chair pose, Utkatasana. Hands in Namaskar mudra. Reach up, look up, open, take a back bend. Gaze is towards the thumb if you can. Give thanks. Take it back down. Utkatasana. Forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Plant the hands on the mat. Either step back or jump back. Yogi push up, elbow hugging in. Inhale, up dog. Look right, look left. Release the neck. Shoulder away from the ears. Plank. Downward dog. Inhale, take the left leg up. Bend the knee. Look through the left armpit. Preparing to flip the dog. Or wild thin. Left leg behind the right. Take the left hand forward. Lift the hip. Lift the chest. Shoulders away from the ears. Again, if you did wheel on the right side, do so on the left. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, left leg reach high, extend. As you exhale, look between the hand. Place the left leg in between the hand. Inhale, rise up. Crescent lunge. Straightening the left leg. Bending the knee. 2 more like that. Bend the knee, inhale, rise up, high lunge. Exhale the hands to the mat, give thanks and bring the right leg to meet with the left. Sitting down in chair pose, Utkatasana. Hands in Namaskar mudra, hands reach up, straighten the legs, take a back bend. Open the heart. Giving thanks once more. sitting back down. Then take it down, forward fold. Relax the back of the head. Bend the knee, plant the hands on the mat. You can step back, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. We do a couple of these, noticing your shoulder, top of the legs on the mat, downward facing. Right side, side plank. And bring that right leg, inhale, rise up, warrior two. Making sure that right knee is bent, extended side angle, variation B. Relax the shoulder, come back to warrior two, right elbow, right knee, variation A. Come back, goddess pose. Right knee is bent, left knee is bent. Look to the left hand, warrior two. Extending the hands front and back. Peaceful warrior, reverse warrior. Coming back, warrior two. Exhale, left hand inside that left leg, reach the right hand across. Extended side angle D. Come back, warrior two. Left elbow, left knee, variation A. Left leg is bent 90 degrees. Come back, warrior two, and return into goddess pose. Make a fist, feeling strong here. Rising up, warrior one on the right side. Open, look up, take a back bend. Coming back, chair pose. Palm open, taking the right leg back. We're flowing, warrior one, back bend if you have it. If not, it's okay. Returning, goddess pose, feeling strong in your legs. Hands in Namaskar. Make sure your back is flat, bend the knee. And straighten that left leg, left hand reach for Utkatasana. Left sitting bone under, right hand reach over. And look at the right hand if you can. Bend the left leg back to warrior two. Navel to spine. And turn around, face the right leg, Virabhadrasana 2, warrior 2. Breathe in. Right elbow, right knee, left hand reach across, extended side angle. Coming back, goddess pose, making the fist. Noticing your breath, turning around, bring that right leg to meet with the left. Chair pose, Utkatasana, straighten the legs, hands by the side. Inhale, reach up, look up, take a back bend. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen, bend the knees, step back. Chaturanga Dandasana, neck is long. Up dog. Plank. Oh, then this side plank on the side. You can skip any of the poses. Right leg to the left hand. Inhale, rise up. Warrior one. Square the hip. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Left leg to right. Prayer twist. Hands in Namaskar. Left hand down. Right hand up. Look up if you can. Belly to spine. And come back. Chair pose. Utkatasana. Left elbow right side. You can bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Coming back, chair. Stepping the left leg back. Inhale, rise up. Warrior one. Open up. Warrior two. Making sure that right leg is 60 degrees. Coming back. Peaceful warrior. Cartwheel the hands to the mat. Right leg back. Yogi push up. Up dog. Relax the shoulder. Downward dog. Bend the knee, look forward, Malasana, prayer squat. Then bring the hands down, jump back, step back, Chaturanga Dandasana. It's one of those fun things to do in yoga Noticing how strong you feel. Spin the right leg down. Inhale, rising up again. Warrior one, look up, take a back bend. Open up, warrior two. Peaceful warrior, reverse warrior. Left elbow, left knee, right hand reach across. Come back. Over to the right side, warrior two. Right elbow, right knee, left hand reach across. Extended side angle variation A. Inhale, switch the legs, make sure your hips are squared, rise up. Warrior one. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Back into your plank, yogi push-up, up dog. Exhale, briefly. Notice your breath. You can take child's pose and bring the legs forward. Come into seated pose. We do some kundalini movement for the spine. Bring the hands in cat kiss and swing left and right. Start to soften. Noticing, close the eyes and go within. Breath is constant. Shoulder is soft. Notice your breath. Start to slow down here. Start to soften your breath. Find stillness in the mind. Loving your body. Being grateful for where you are now. And find stillness. Lengthen the spine. Get comfortable, hold your ankle, some spinal flexion, lift the chest round, look towards the navel, releasing any tension from the yoga practice. Do a couple of these on your own, noticing how you feel, and then slow down. You can take Shavasana. This is a power flow yoga, and take Shavasana. The light in me honors the light in each and every one of you. Namaste.